Hi guys, I am Manoj Kumar, founder of Basics Programming YouTube channel. Now I am going to explain about Python program for validating phone numbers. Okay, now let's see. Here we are giving two numbers. Okay, these two numbers we are giving. We are checking that whether the given number is phone number or not. Actually, what is a phone number? A phone number consists of length 10 and it should be starting index of 9, 8, 7, 6. And it should be numeric, means no alphabets and no special digits should be. If it is valid phone number, we should print S. If it is not, we should print no. Now let's go into the code. See, now we are taking the input. N is equal to int of input. Means here n is nothing but a variable of integer data type, right? Because we typecasted it int of input. Now we are writing for loop for I in range up to what? N. The for loop will be up to n, means if we give 1 means 1, 2 means 2, it depends on the n value. After that we are taking input s is equal to input. Okay, now we are checking the condition if length of s should be 10. Okay, I said no, for the validating phone numbers the length should be 10 and s of 0 in 9 comma 8 comma 7 comma 6 and s dot is numeric. Okay, here s of 0 in 9 comma 8 comma 7 comma 6 means the first starting index should be 9 or 7 or 8 or 6. Okay, and s dot is numeric means it should not have any special characters and alphabets. Okay, then print it is a valid phone number means s. After that else means if it does not satisfy any of these conditions, even one condition is not satisfying, it will go to else statement. Print no. Okay, this much only code. See here, now we'll check. Here we are giving input 2. Okay, n is equal to 2 will be stored in the n, and we are asking the input. First input is 958745621. Now let's check the length is 10 or not. Yes, we have 10 digits, so length of string is 10 and s of 0 should start with 9 comma 8 comma 7 comma 6. Yes, it is starting with 9 and after that it should be numeric, means no special characters, no special symbols should be there. Here any special symbols? No. So here the output will be s. Now let's check here. Now n value will be 2, I value will be also 2. Okay, sorry 1. Now let's check s is equal to int of input. We are checking this number. If length of s is equal to 10. Yes, the condition is satisfied, and s of 0 means first index should be 9 or 8 or 7 or 6. Okay, but what is the starting here? 1, no? So it comes out of if condition. Condition is satisfied, not satisfied, no? It will go to else, it will print no. Now let's check the program. See, now we are giving the input two numbers we want. Now we want to check two numbers. Now let's see, 98762 1. It is S5 because the length is 10 and starting element is 9 and it is numeric. Okay, now let's see, 1 2. We are giving this input 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Length is 10, but the given element starting index is 1, so it is not a valid phone number. That's it, guys.